This is lesson 5. We're still working on our vowels, those short vowel sounds, and we're in our grade 2 reading workbook. So your first job is to trace each word below, then read it aloud. Use the pictures to help you, but more importantly, stretch those sounds out. Remember that you are O-R, A-R, R. So getting those ers and Rs sorted out because that R controls the sound the vowel makes. So trace those, practice saying those words, and then you're ready to move on to number 2. So let's check your work. Make sure you could say all those words. Car, first, the arrow's pointing to the first bird. Fur, her, horn, the arrow's pointing at the horn. You have to really watch those arrows. Horn, hard. So a baseball hitting helmet is a hard thing. Hard, jar, bird, cart, fork. All right, let's move on to number 2. Write the letter of the correct picture next to each word below. So do you see that each of the pictures have a little letter in a circle? So your job is to read the word cat, find the picture of the cat. There it is. It's the letter H. Write the letter in the parentheses. I always cross my letters out afterwards, so I know I don't have to find the cat again. Okay? So read through each of these words, pause the video, and check your work when you're done. All right, let's see how you did. Cat, car, hen, her, fire, first, remember that arrow, hot, horn. Do you see the horn? Remember the pointing with the arrow again. Fun, fur, hand, hard. If your work looks like mine, you're ready to move on. Number 3, write the words below. Use the pictures as hints. So you're going to look at the jar and you're going to see over here how to spell it. So then you can look here and write it again. So use the picture clues and practice saying the words, okay? So pause the video and then you can come back and check your work. So your work should look like this. Jar, fork, fur, cart, bird, horn. Let's go on to number 4. Complete each sentence using a word from the box. Read the words. Bird, first, fur, fork, horn, and jar. Read the sentences, write in the correct word. Check your work, so pause the video and come back and check your work. All right, let's read through all of the sentences. I like the jelly in that jar. Have you ever had a jar of jelly? Delish. The bird flew up into the sky. Honk your horn. Now, they're not talking about the horn from the animal here. They're talking about a horn that you might use in your car. Sometimes you see clowns have little horns that look like this on their bikes, and they can make a wah, wah, wah noise, and you squeeze this part together. You can squeeze it and make a horn sound. All right, so let's see here. Use your fork, not your hands. My cat has soft fur. I came in first in my class on the test. And that is what it looks like to finish lesson 5. So make sure your work is all checked and corrected.